Catholic faithful filled St. Michael's Cathedral in Springfield late this afternoon to attend the Christmas Eve Mass. Springfield Bishop Mitchell Rosansky celebrated the Christmas Eve Mass. In his homily to the families filling the pews at St. Michael's, Bishop Rosansky expressed hope that in the midst of Christmas celebrations, we do not forget the real meaning and the reason for this season of celebration. Prior to tonight's Christmas Eve Mass, Bishop Rosansky spoke with 22 News.
As I was preparing my Christmas homily, I thought of all of those people who are still suffering from the effects of the natural disasters in the southern part of the United States, in Florida and Texas, the people who are displaced from their homes and lost their homes in California, and also those in the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico.
If you are unable to attend today's Mass, this Christmas Eve Mass at St. Michael's Cathedral will be broadcast in its entirety on 22 News on Christmas morning, tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock.